Welcome back, Trader Troops. So, CRO, Crypto.com. It's been a while since I've given you guys an update on this one, mostly because it hasn't done much, but now it's finally starting to move. I do have some new analysis to share with you guys. So, I'm going to tell you where I think it's headed next. Make sure to smash up that like button and subscribe if you do get some value from this video, and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss another post, because I do post the latest and greatest cryptocurrency technical analysis on the internet in real time, and it is very easy to miss an update by a few hours and miss the entire move up. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So Crypto.com, we've seen obviously a massive run up in the past couple of weeks. One of the most parabolic looking charts that we've seen in a while through the entire crypto market. Everybody's talking about this coin. It's pretty much everywhere from F1 to UFC, right? They pretty much sponsor anything and everything. But let's talk about the price prediction. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the fact that we have just recently, as of yesterday, formed a massive engulfing candle right in here. If you don't know what an engulfing candle is, it's basically a massive green candle that pretty much engulfs the previous red candle. So the body of this massive green candle engulfs, aka is much bigger than the body of the previous red candle. And this is a sign of a strong reversal to the upside. Now this happened at the 50% Fibonacci retracement from this low back in June to the most recent high that we just had all the way in November. Okay, you can see that that is a 50% Fibonacci retracement, which just means that we've retraced from the highs roughly halfway back down to the lows. And so that is naturally a psychological level and acts as a level of support. So you can see we've kind of already bounced there once in the past. We now retraced back into that level, and we see this nice engulfing candle forming as of today. So if we drop down to a smaller time frame like the 4-hour chart, what we're going to see is a couple things. The first thing we're going to see is that we have RSI now trading above 50. This is about the third time it's done this in the past couple of days. So hopefully this time it can actually maintain above 50, because if you don't know, as long as RSI is trading above 50, then you are technically in an uptrend, and we should see continued momentum higher. But you can see the last two times we've done this, we've kind of failed to uphold above 50. So hopefully this is the time that we do that. And I think it will be, because when we take a look at the price action, we're going to see some interesting things. Okay, we're going to see, firstly, we still have that 50% Fibonacci retracement level right in here. That's exactly where we bounced, and that number is roughly 52 cents. And you can see that this level is a general area of support as well. You can see we've had some pretty good reactions in this area between 47 cents and 52 cents. Okay, we've seen some crazy reactions in the past here, and now we are seeing that happening again, this time with an increase in volume. So if we actually end up holding this level here between 52 cents, and I do think we have a very high probability of doing so. If not, I want to tell you that we do have a doomsday scenario already planned, right? If we cannot hold this level here, then the next level is going to be down at 42 cents, and that honestly should be an even stronger level. But with the reality of Bitcoin probably bottoming out in the next couple of days here, then I also think that Crypto.com will do the same, and that's going to be, again, between 52 and 48 cents. So I do believe that this should be a high probability bottoming out in price. So if we know this, we're going to need some targets. So what are our targets going to be on Crypto.com? Well, the first one is going to obviously be this level of resistance back up towards 65 cents, right? Between 64 and 68 cents. That is clearly an area of resistance. We've seen multiple reactions in the past in that area. So there's lots of money sitting there. So we're going to have to be aware of that. And from current price, that is going to be roughly 15% higher. And if we can break that, which we should be able to, if we can break that, then we should get all the way back up to roughly 76 cents. Again, just another area where we've seen some reactions in the past. So it's a big area of resistance. And that gives us a target of roughly 39% higher. And from there, the sky's the limit, right? Because if we can break through that last level of resistance, then we just need to get past all-time highs, which I think will happen if we do manage to get that far up in the first place, right? So if we know that all of this is likely to happen, then we can drop down to a smaller time frame like the 1-hour chart and try to identify an entry point. First thing that we want to notice is look at all of the increase in volume, at least the buying volume, okay, from this level of support. So that is a good sign that people are actually buying Crypto.com, and the buyers are beginning to pour into the market. Okay, so where can we look to capture a shorter term entry if you do trade the 1-hour time frame? In my opinion, this point right in here. between roughly 54.7 and 53.8. That is a small area of support on crypto.com. So what I'm expecting to go down in the following days is going to be something potentially like this. Or who knows, maybe we'll need one more retest, something like this as well. Either way, I do believe crypto.com is going higher from here, and we do have plenty of room higher to go. All-time highs, even if we reach all-time highs, that would be roughly 70% returns. So make sure to smash up that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you're always up to date with the latest and greatest cryptocurrency technical analysis. And feel free to check out the Measuring Markets program if you want to learn how to improve your own trading through one-on-one coaching, me and you. Check out the link in the description down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.